Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to show you exactly how to use the snap feature in the Insta360 app. It's really good, really intuitive, and a great way to edit your 360 footage. Right, jumping into the app. Right, here we go. We're in there and I've got a bit of footage already selected. We're going to select this one and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. What we're going to do is pause the footage. So you press the screen to pause the footage, and this is the snap feature. You've got edit here, which is the normal edit feature, and then click snap there, it goes across, and basically it uses the phone's gyroscope to be able to move around and look around what you're recording. So for instance, if you've seen those videos on Facebook where you can upload it as 360 footage, you move your phone to look around, that is the same thing. It's a really good way of editing your footage, and what we're going to do is just, you can use your finger to scroll around, and then I'm going to record this little clip of myself. So what I'm going to do is, you can change the zoom in and out by scrolling on there on the right hand side. You can do that, or you can pinch in and out as well. I'm looking good with my eyes closed on this particular clip. You can change the aspect ratio, 16:9, 1:1 for Instagram, or I'm going to keep it on 9:16 for Instagram stories. We're going to do that. So what we're going to do is now hold it in the position we want to record, and I'll zoom in just a little bit, and then we're going to hold down the record button like so, and then I'm going to move around. Top right hand corner, you can see it sort of shows you what's recording with the little green boxes around what you're looking at. And then I'm going to look right in just a second. We're going to look at the sheep turning around like that, and then we're going to go back to Xander there talking and walking with the Insta360 One X2. Then we're going to go left and look around at the beautiful scenery in the Shropshire Hills, and then back to me. And it's sort of great because it's kind of like having your own cameraman. It gives you that kind of different look. If you're after that kind of look in your videos, this is a really cheap way of having your own cameraman and letting your phone do all the work. Okay, so we've recorded that particular clip. It's saved on the bottom left hand side here. We're going to click it and go to there, and this is where you can trim it if you want to. We can trim it down just a little bit, trim it back just a little bit, and press OK. 26 seconds. Excellent. Up here we've got some more options, the three dots. We can change the identify tracking, we can turn that on and off. We can put chromatic calibration on. We can, easy for you to say, we can use Aquavision 2.0 if you're underwater, and then you can add the logo on and off. But here we've got accessories, and I didn't know about this particular one until I've just tried this out before, and you can actually add the stitch for cold shoes. So the different stitching lines, if you're using the premium lens guard, for instance, you click that and it allows a little bit more room for the premium lens guard. Also, if you're using the dive case for underwater and above water, you can use it above water as well. There's those stitching lines there as well. So I'm going to leave it as it is just for this particular clip, but it's nice to know you've got those options there. So we can go to export, and you can export it directly to your phone, or you can create a new story within the Insta360 app. So we're going to just export it to home, and then it's saved instantly like that. We go to my phone album, and there is the clip, and we play it back, and I like this particular feature because, like I said, it's like having your own personal cameraman. You can move the phone around just a little bit like that and give it a different kind of look, and it looks really unique. I like having the option to use the gyroscope and move around to see what I want to look at, and that is a really good feature within the Insta360 app. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you wanted more Insta360 camera tips or app tips, editing tips, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we've got lots of content coming soon, and I'll link a few videos that I've done in the description down below already. So stay tuned as well, because we've got the new 1-inch 360 camera coming very, very soon. We're going to do a review on that and test it out fully and see what it's like and if it's worth the money. Okay, that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one.